Yo, YouTube, Chaosman00 here. About Yankees 7924 550 subscriber contest. Giving away a free rookie exclusive box for 120. It's worth $125. Giving away for free. Yeah, he's 14, and she just giving a box away for free. Which I think it's pretty cool that he did that. Not even raffle it or do a group break with it. So yeah, check out that sub contest. And also, I'm doing a group break for Gridiron Gear. 1 box and 7 spots left. We got 3 people so far. We need 7 more. So help me get that filled. It's my first group break. 1 box of Gridiron Gear. So yeah, join that. It's $8, and you get 3 teams with that. So check that out. And yeah, go to his sub contest and subscribe. Peace.